Ever wondered if your Chime card can save you from that awkward insufficient funds moment at the checkout? Let's break down everything you need to know about Chime and overdrafting, so you can avoid those pesky fees. First things first, Chime doesn't offer traditional overdraft protection like a regular bank. Instead, they have a feature called Spot. Think of it as a safety net, but with some important strings attached. To be eligible for SpotMe, you need to have received $200 or more in qualifying direct deposits to your Chime checking account in the past 34 days. Chime also looks at your account activity and history to determine if you qualify. If you're eligible, Chime might spot you anywhere from $20 up to $200. This limit is based on your Chime account history and direct deposits. This means if you try to spend more than what's in your account plus your spot limit, the transaction will be declined. The best part, Chime won't charge you any overdraft fees when you use SpotMe. Chime will automatically deduct the overdrawn amount from your next deposit to bring your balance back to positive. You can even choose to tip Chime for the SpotMe service, but it's completely optional to manage this. Just head into your Chime app settings. Remember, SpotMe isn't a limitless credit line. If your purchase exceeds your SpotMe limit plus your account balance, the transaction will be declined, so always keep an eye on your available funds. So, can you overdraft your Chime card? Technically, no. SpotMe helps you avoid hard declines up to a certain limit. Understanding how SpotMe works is crucial for managing your spending effectively and avoiding any unexpected surprises.